What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best hot plate for cooking of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Elite Gourmet CounterType Iron Burner. This countertop iron burner offers a versatile cooking experience with its compact, portable design, ideal for on-the-go cooking needs. The 6.4-inch cast iron flat cooking plate is non-stick, making it effortless to clean with just a damp cloth or a gentle sponge, ensuring it stays in top condition for years. The adjustable temperature control allows you to choose from low, medium, or high heat settings with ease, helping you achieve the perfect temperature for keeping food warm or quickly boiling water. Equipped with a power indicator light on the front, it clearly shows when the burner is on, adding an extra layer of safety. The non-skid feet ensure the burner stays stable during use, making it both safe and convenient. This efficient 1000-watt hot plate provides ample heat for various cooking tasks, whether you're in a small kitchen, at the office, camping, or simply need an extra burner at home. Compact and powerful, it's an essential tool for anyone looking for a reliable cooking companion in tight spaces. Number 2. Cuisinart Iron Single Burner. Expand your cooking options with this heavy-duty single burner, ideal for spaces where a full kitchen setup isn't available. With a robust 1300-watt cast iron plate, this portable burner quickly heats up and retains consistent temperature throughout cooking. The coil-less design of the cooking surface ensures easy cleaning and a sleek, uninterrupted look, while the brushed stainless steel housing adds a touch of elegance to any setting. Equipped with a 6-setting temperature control, this burner offers versatility, from gentle warming to high-heat cooking, making it perfect for keeping dishes warm or preparing an entire meal. Ready and on indicator lights keep you informed of the burner's status, while non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during use. Its compact size and portability make it a must-have for small spaces like dorm rooms, boats, RVs, and patios. A fantastic addition for holiday gatherings or any event where extra cooking space is needed. Number 3. Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet. Experience effortless cooking with this compact electric skillet, designed to lock in flavors and moisture with its clear, tempered glass lid. Perfect for preparing a variety of dishes, the 8-inch by 8-inch by 2-inch cooking surface is spacious enough to fry chicken, make fluffy pancakes, gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches, or even whip up a deep dish pasta. The non-stick coating ensures that food releases easily, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. With its sturdy, thick cast aluminum body and sleek black lacquer finish, this skillet resists rust and warping, promising durability over time. Safety features include a cool touch knob and handles, ensuring secure handling, while the removable temperature control unit allows for easy dishwasher-safe cleaning. Backed by ETL safety certification and operating at 600 watts with a 120V power capacity, this electric skillet is an ideal addition to any kitchen. Whether it's a housewarming or wedding gift, this versatile appliance offers an effortless way to simplify meal prep and cooking tasks. Number 4. Cusimax Electric Hot Plate. Experience versatile and efficient cooking with this high-performance electric hot plate, designed to accommodate all types of cookware up to 7.1 inches in size. Compatible with glass and aluminum pots and pans, it ensures optimal heat distribution with minimal heat loss, making every meal preparation a breeze. Powered by a robust 1500W and featuring 7 thermostatically controlled heat settings, you can effortlessly warm sauces, sear steaks, grill cheese, boil water, prepare soups, cook pasta, and steam vegetables to perfection, meeting all your daily culinary needs. Its compact single-burner design enhances portability, making it an ideal choice for dorm rooms, offices, camping trips, or RVs, and serves as an excellent supplementary appliance in a bustling kitchen where additional cooking space is needed. Constructed with a black stainless steel body and a durable cast iron cooktop, it is built to withstand frequent use while maintaining a sleek appearance. Safety is paramount, with an automatic shut-off feature and thermostat-regulated temperature ensuring worry-free operation. Cleanup is simple with just a wipe down using a damp cloth once the unit has cooled. Elevate your cooking experience with this reliable and convenient electric hot plate. Number 5. Ovente Countertop Single Burner. Experience seamless cooking with this efficient countertype burner, delivering 1000 watts of power through infrared technology for rapid, even heating. It's perfect for tasks like frying, warming, and boiling, making it an ideal addition for any culinary setup. Unlike induction cooktops, it's compatible with virtually all types of cookware. For best results, use flat-bottom pans around 7 inches in diameter to ensure consistent heat distribution. The adjustable temperature control knob allows precise heating, and a red indicator light lets you know when the burner is actively warming. Plus, safety is a priority. This cooktop automatically shuts off when the desired temperature is reached or if overheating occurs. Its sleek stainless steel housing and crystallite ceramic glass top add a stylish touch to any kitchen, while the compact, lightweight design, only 2.4 pounds, makes it easily portable for small spaces like studios, kitchenettes, and RVs. Cleaning is simple, just wipe down the crystallite surface and steel frame with a damp cloth, and it's ready for your next cooking adventure. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.